Hey guys, welcome to video number 3. After the roaring success of the last one, I figured we'll try something a little different. I got a laser engraver, so for this video it's just going to be me setting it up and getting it running. Hope you guys enjoy it. Here's everything that came with the kit, so I think all I pretty much have to do is get the software installed and plug it in and it should be good to go. If you're wondering about eye protection, this green panel magnetizes onto the front of the laser engraver to protect my eyes, so I don't need laser goggles. It'll look kind of like this when it's done. It looks like all these machines are tested before they're sent out, so I know the laser's good because it looks like they used it to make this cool little butterfly thing. The instructions say to remove all pearl cotton before use. I'm assuming that's all the styrofoam stuff that's used to keep all the stuff steady when it's shipped. The kit also comes with a data cable, marker, Allen key, a bunch of different samples, and this weird silicone pad thing that I'm not super sure what it's for right now. It also looks like it comes with a little window of the laser glass so that you can look through it. Okay, so this is kind of cool. It looks like on the side of the machine, there's this switch that you can use to adjust the power of the machine. And then on top, there's this red button that's used to turn it just on and off. Something else I just realized, I think these rubber bands were supposed to be used to hold stuff down to the table thing in there, but they're both broken. Like they came pre-broken. So I'm gonna have to go dig up some rubber bands to use to try and hold stuff. Okay, I found some rubber bands. I might have to try and come up with a better solution for holding stuff down in the future though, because I don't think I really like rubber bands. Just a quick little side note, this black cable that came with the machine looks to be the same cable as from my Arduino, so I'm not sure if I could just swap those cables around if one of them got damaged, which, I don't know, might be good to know. Okay, so really quick, I'm just going to do a run through of the software that comes with the kit. This is everything that's on the disk that comes with the kit. So I just clicked the driver install and it was super easy. Just clicked install, good to go. And then after that, I opened the instructions PDF because who reads instructions anyway? Here's the software that came with the kit. It's super easy to use. It comes with built-in instructions, which are really nice. And it also comes with a built-in photo gallery, which is also really cool because there's 346 pages of pictures that cover just a whole wide range of anything you could possibly want to engrave. And then when you're ready to get the software running on the machine, you just go from the photo gallery over to the control section and move the photo around, size it however you want, and then just hit start and you're good to go. Okay, so that went really well. I didn't realize how small it would be, but other than that, that's just me playing around with the software. It went really good. There wasn't any real major issues. I can definitely smell the burning smell now, but that totally worked. This thing's awesome. Here is the second attempt. I had kind of a crappy camera angle on it. I can't really see my camera angles when I'm shooting with my current rig. So I'm going to do a third attempt and I'll show you guys exactly how this thing works. It turns out awesome. The other thing I'll mention is it has this cool feature where you can put text on the pictures. So that's super useful. Okay, so here is the third attempt. It turned out awesome. You'll notice in the video of it, it's shaking a little bit. The machine does kind of vibrate the desk a bit. So I'll see if I can figure that out. But this machine is awesome. I haven't tried importing video or image files from outside the software yet. They came with the software, but I think in the future that might be something I'll try and do. Otherwise, this thing's awesome and this video has been a success. So I'll see you guys in the next one.